On this planet, we have responsibilities to care and treasure the planet that we all live on. Oh, how do we rescue our planet from the climate change? It's a difficult question and maybe it's too hard to grasp. Oh, so what shall we do? What can we do? What will we do to save our planet? All of us must do what we can to save the planet we live on. On this planet, want to choose our way of life, but many sees the climate talk as a threat to their lifestyles. Oh no, we must promise ourselves to think about the future and what kind of planet we are leaving behind to our children, our grandchildren. What shall we do? What can we do? What will we do to save our planet? All of us must do what we can to save the planet we live on. On this planet, we know what challenge is coming. Yeah, the temperature is rising and we must be ready to act. Oh, now shall we roll up our sleeves and join the rescue force? So let's start by doing what has to be done to survive, to survive. What shall we do? What can we do? What will we do to save our planet? All of us must do what we can to save the planet we live on. What can we do? What will we do to save our planet?